There's a trainer coming past. Electric Q Pro. Here we go. So, basically, this did have a 17 point. So these electric Q scooters, they come with like different batteries, so different ranges, and all the range means is, people think it's just the battery that's different. It's not. The controller is going to be different. See, on one that's only built to do 25 kilometers, they don't have to put a very big set of wires on it, phase wires, because the phase wires obviously get hot, but then you run out of battery and you have to charge it, meaning they'll cool down. But on this, where I think this can do 45 to 60 kilometers with the standard, with the stock Pro battery, and the biggest battery, the 17.5. So now, what I wouldn't recommend, what I've done, well, I would recommend it if you're a genius like me, but not many people are, is I got, it's not a 17.5, I said that wrong, it's a 22.5 amp hour Samsung 36 volt battery, and it's a big old battery, and it barely fitted in the scooter, if I'm honest. The scooter was a wanker to get apart as well, because it's built to be sealed units, and I wouldn't recommend it. But I will say that this scooter, if you let the motor cool down, I'd probably say the scooter gets about 120, 150 kilometers on one charge. If you let the motor cool down as you're going, and you don't rag it, don't smash it uphill like I'm about to do. There's that hill, smash it. It's got a lot more pull up the hill now. I think it's because it's disputes the amps a bit better. But this is a fairly steep hill, and anyone that's got one of these scooters know that these, oh geez, where's the car there? Rag up the hill this quick.